I hope that Kia doesn't try to do this because he will get stuck and we'll never get out of here.
Oh, you're fine.
All right.
No, nothing.
What the hell?
Hey everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. We are doing our inaugural first overlanding adventure weekend. Yay! Yeah, we've got the 4Runner and we've got the Chevy Colorado ZR2 and we're up here in the Central Cascades and we got Michael too. Hi Michael.
Hello.
Hi. We're up here in the Central Cascades near Chinook Pass. We're gonna be doing some trails. We're gonna go find some fancy lakes or something.
Hidden lakes.
We're gonna
do some hiking. We're gonna
yeah. But I think it's Mount Aches, right?
Mount
and it's
Aches, yep.
right behind us there. I forgot to mention, we have a stretch goal.
One more thing.
We have one more thing. Come on, we'll show you. Okay, so check this out. So in preparation for this awesome weekend we have planned for you guys, I'm just excited. No, I'll keep going.
The Sasquatch, fact or fiction?
In a very compelling internet post I saw on June 9th of 2009, a man named Mandrake says that the Mount Aches Trailhead area, which we are going to be camping at tonight, is a hot spot for Bigfoot sightings.
It's Sam Squam Shrekky and there's one right outside my door right now. He's trying to get into my shed.
So, we came prepared. We have camouflage rope and the Sasquatch Seeker's Field Manual. We are not only, my friends, going to get footage of Bigfoot, we are going to capture him or her and bring him back to town and sell tickets.
It's gonna be great.
We're gonna do it.
I have full and complete faith.
Let's go! Bearing down!
Oh, Jesus, snake.
You're a You're a punch you in the face!
Now we know the truth, because you moved. You moved very quickly.
Nuh-uh.
With great haste.
No.
Ha!
We are looking for U.S. Forest Service Road 1809. That's the one we're going to check out first. It should go up to a little lake up there. I can't remember. Granite Lake, I believe is what it's called. So we're going to check that out first.
You think you're all cool and then you see a PT Cruiser. Okay, my friends, let's talk about Sasquatch capturing techniques and kind of what we want, what each of us wants our role to be.
Well, I would imagine we're going to utilize some sort of a pincher formation. Come in from the right and the left. Jason, you'll be the bait in the front. We'll use your rope. I feel like we'll just wing it from there. You go for the knees.
Michael, do you got any thoughts on that?
Oh, definitely go for the knees. That's target number one.
Bigfoot's greatest weakness is its knees.
It's the knees.
Got it. So, Bigfoot's number one weakness is his knees. Is that the front of his knees? I think he has weak kneecaps, if I remember right. I think I read that in the field manual.
Oh yeah, the patellas on the Sasquatch are very squishy. For tactics, I think we should yell for waffles, just to confuse the heck out of it.
Yes, of course, of course.
You get it back in my neck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna smell so good.
You're
D!
not supposed to breathe while I'm doing this, Jason. Hold still. I baptize you.
In the name of Deet.
Ooh, we got some snow now. Check that out.
It appears that we've hit a snag, my friends. We have kind of run out of road.
This guy's the only guy that scares me, otherwise I think we can do it.
Ooh.
Challenge. Seems like a challenge.
Well,
Well, you got traction on this side.
yeah, I don't know.
This could be pretty slidey.
Yeah, oh yeah, and then there's a tree right there too.
Michael knows I have a vendetta against snow.
It does.
Okay, don't go any farther than how far I can pull you out, okay? You're not sinking very much.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You got it, man.
You made it.
Straight. Towards me. Towards me. Turn right. Got it. Clear.
Oh, nicely done. Woo! Oh! Oh, yeah, man. Nice. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And Amy, if something happens, I'm really sorry. I'm about to do it though. Okay, I'm going to, I'm in 4 low. I'm going to turn on multi-terrain select.
Oh, they're going past?
Hi. Oh. No way, that Jeep is not getting through that. Absolutely not. Hey, you should video this a little bit. If this Jeep gets through this, I don't know. That'd be pretty funny.
Spoiler alert, I don't think this Jeep's getting through it.
You got your tow cable, buddy?
I do indeed.
Yeah.
Let's go be nice. Let's go pull a Jeep out because it's stuck. Hey, I get to use this stuff. We'll talk about it in just a second, but I'm gonna get some tension. Yeah, no, yeah, we're just gonna pull you backwards. We'll get tension on the thing, and I'll just honk when I want you to stop. But we're gonna try to pull you back to probably right here. Yep. Yep.
Or passenger, passenger, passenger. Turn passenger.
I think you're out. Yeah, we're getting it.
Okay, go ahead. Passenger. Perfect. Now driver a little bit. Yep. Perfect.
That's my first time saving somebody. That was awesome. Matt from Matt's Off Road Recovery, if you ever see this, please tell me what I did right, what I did wrong. Give me some pointers. It was my first time. Whew. It was my first time. Whew.
Driver's side. Straight. Awesome. Perfect. Good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Perfect, dude. You're clear.
You don't need 2 lockers. You only need 1. You only need 1. You don't need 2.
You wouldn't be doing this.
Fudge. Fudge you, Chris. Fudge you, man.
Man.
I hope that Kia doesn't try to do this because he will get stuck and we'll never get out of here.
Oh, you're fine. All right. We'll do it again.
Do it again.
His jealousy is palpable.
So that's the peak. There's the lake. Let's take some pictures and
Have
stuff.
some fun and turn around.
Yeah, I think we made it to our destination.
That was awesome.
Oh.
Very cool.
Ah. Oh my gosh. People don't listen. So we pulled out a 2-wheel drive Jeep Compass. Now we have an all-wheel drive Kia stuck in the trail and now we can't get out of here, so. So with these guys stuck and completely blocking our way out of here, we had to help them no matter if we wanted to or not. So after assessing everything, we kind of decided the best course of action would be to hook onto the front of them, pull them forward a little bit so that they had a better angle, and then push them back while the guy, feathered his awesome all-wheel drive summer tires he had.
As you can see here, Chris is actually the guy on the ground, not one of these two dudes, because they didn't know what an A-arm was. Every time we said, hey, you want to hook onto this, they just kind of stare at us with a lovely blank stare. So Chris was the one to lay on the mud and hook it up for him. Well, as you can see in this shot, things did not go well. Oh man, I'm trying not to be overly mean here, but every time that Chris or one of us would say turn left, he'd turn right, feather it, a little bit, he'd floor it, literally flooring it. And now this guy is incredibly stuck, and the only reason why the Kia is on the road at all is because of a small tree. Our new friends are headed down to Bumping Lake. There's a landline down there at a marina, and they're gonna go call for help.
People who have somewhat capable off-road vehicles say, hey, don't try this.
Don't do that.
And then we tell your girlfriends, hey, don't try this. And then they tell you don't try this. And then you still try this in a Kia.
He's making his girlfriend carry all the stuff.
With the dog.
He doesn't listen to us. He doesn't listen to his girlfriend. He doesn't carry the camping equipment. He should babe, okay, you sit in this comfy chair. Please don't break up with me. When the guy in the red flannel and his girlfriend showed up 2 hours later without any help at all, they just kind of gave up after talking to 5 people. They said, we tried talking to 5 people, man. We kind of lost it there, and we said, you're gonna move your car. We're gonna hook up to it and get it out of the way no matter what. So then they got very motivated to start digging and push it out. Well, with that not so veiled threat, the guys started digging a little bit more enthusiastically. They actually broke my my camping shovel I had. I lent it to them and they broke it, which was really cool. And yeah, but they actually were able to get the Kia out of the way, and we were able to finally get out of there. I can only imagine how damaged that Kia got that night.
Cheers, wieners!
Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning. The sun's coming out. It's about 6:41 a.m. Usually we'd want to get starting on a hike about right now, but because we didn't get in until probably 11:30 and didn't get everything set up until around midnight, we all ended up staying up till I think around 2, just eating and kind of relaxing after kind of a stressful little bit there with those folks. I had a decent night's sleep. I had weird dreams, but I'm in the woods, so. All right, we ready? Ready. All right. We quickly broke down camp and set out for our hike to the top of Mount Aches. Well, there's no real way to put this other than to say it was a huge personal bummer, but as soon as the hike began, I started feeling really lightheaded. My heart rate spiked into the 140s even while I was barely moving. I'm not sure if I got sick or what was going on, but I knew that I wasn't going to be making it to the top that day. Guys, I am 100% not going to make it. I want you to try for the summit without me and record it, all right?
All right, buddy.
All right. Godspeed for waffles.
For waffles.
Woo!
For Zurich!
Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Here are GoPros back. You have footage from the top.
Oh.
It was really scraggly. Just once we got out of the switchbacks and actually figured out what Mount Aches actually was, it's like you can't see it at all.
It seems like even the smallest peaks apparently have false summits, because yeah, we went up the whole time and we were looking at what we thought, what we showed earlier from the video. That was actually part of Nelson Ridge. That was not Mount Aches at all. Are you kidding? So it was really good. It was really good. It was a heck of a scramble and some literally like you said, boulder, we
Bouldered at the top.
The heavy incline stuff where it's like, okay, here we go.
Dude, this is it. What the hell? Oh my God! I don't believe it.
Buddy. That was amazing. That was so freaking cool.
Anyway, good job, guys. I don't know what happened with me. I don't know if it was a mental thing or a
The mountain sickness.
It was mountain sickness. He had it. Now I've had it.
I know what it's like.
It's terrible. It's not a joke. Mountain Sickness Awareness Day or something. Anyway, everyone, look for more adventures coming soon. And until next time, cheers. And don't forget to do it yourself unless you drive a Kia in the woods. Then just stop it.